Get ready with your textbook. We will start from page 15 because we started the other day, only 2 paragraphs we read. I will ask somebody to read it now. We are going to start our class now. No, not this. Yes, children, just take this page, page 15. Page 15. I'm just going to make somebody read this, okay? And Effie, can you read this, what is shown on the screen? Even you have your textbook, you have the same paragraph in your textbook. Look into your textbook or look at the screen and read this, Effie.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll help you. Read.
Clothes for
Different. Come on, read.
different clothes for different seasons.
Yeah.
We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. It keeps us dry.
Very good, Effie. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, okay, ma'am. Okay, now I will call another child to read, not this one. See this one, second one. I will just take another name. I'm starting, 1 minute. Jeff Nathaniel. Jeff,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, good morning. How are you, Jeff?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Did you go for a break after first maths class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you're fresh. Now, can you help me reading this from the screen or from your textbook? Because it's the same thing. Okay, read. What?
What are clothes made of?
1 minute, Jeff. Other children, take out your pencil or just take out your finger, the first one, pointed finger. When Jeff is reading, you have to go through it. It's not that you have to play around. You have to go through each word. Okay, Jeff, you start. What
We
are
get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton grows in pots. The pots are picked and thread is made from them. Making thread from cotton is called spinning. This thread is made into cloth on a loom, making cloth from thread is called weaving.
Now listen, children, have you seen the dark letter that is cotton plant? You underline all that. Cotton plant, spinning, loom, weaving. That means when you come to school, I will know that you were listening to me. Okay, underline. The previous thing also, please underline. 1 minute, children, the first one. You underline cotton clothes. Underline summer. Woolen clothes. Underline winter. Okay. Underline winter. Raincoat. So you have to underline cotton clothes, summer, use your scale, woolen clothes, winter, raincoat. All the letters in black, they're darkened letters. Now, same way, underline, because you finish reading this, cotton plant. Then you can learn the spellings. You can write in your home study and learn. Underline spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. I will ask you to show the textbook afterwards, whenever I get time. Now, L-O-O-M, the machine. Cloth is the material, clothes, the dress. Loom, L-O-O-M. And making cloth from thread is called weaving. Underline weaving. So, cotton plant, spinning, loom, weaving. Now we'll go to the next one. Now, this one is for, I want Mishti. Mishti, can you help me, Mishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, random. I'm calling the names, children now. Mishti, start reading. You can use only Mishti must read. Okay. If she has any doubt, I will help her. Start, Mishti. The thick
The thick
head
head
on
on
a
sheep is
body. See, ma'am, parent, 1 minute. I will help you. Don't read. The thick hair.
body
Mishti, okay, read. Sheep's body is
is
called. 1 minute. One
woolen.
minute. 1 minute. No, Mishti, 1 minute. Listen to me. You read after me. The thick hair
The thick hair
on a sheep's body
on a sheep's body
is called wool.
is called wool.
Okay, wait. Underline that wool. Parents, you don't worry about them. I will make them read. You can do your work. Let them be free. Okay. Hope all would have underlined wool. The next sentence, Mishti. This hair is
This hair is
cleaned
cleaned
and
and
turned into
turned into
woolen thread.
woolen head.
This is used
This is used
to knit
to knit
sweaters,
sweaters,
caps,
caps,
and socks.
and socks.
See, children, all these are new words for you. Knit, K-N-I-T, knit. K is silent. Underline knit, children. Whenever I ask you to underline, please underline. Knit, K-N-I-T. Thank you, Mishti. You can turn off your mic. Now, sweaters, underline. Sweaters, then caps, socks. Very good. Now, next is for 1 minute. I'll just call the next name.
Ma'am, what we have to underline?
Now, 1 minute. Who's that? Mishti, what do you want? Mishti, now you can turn off your.
Ma'am, what we have to underline, ma'am?
Now I finished telling. No, Mishti. You must be little more careful, Mishti. Underline wool. W-O-O-L. Mishti, I found that you're very slow and you're not listening. Be good. W-O-O-L. Wool. Underline the previous one. See, we are wasting time now. Then underline K-N-I-T. Knit. K-N-I-T, knit. Then sweaters. Sweaters. See, children, I don't want the answer. I want you to understand and do. Knit sweaters. S-W-E-A-T-E-R-S. Underline. Then caps. C-A-P-S, caps. Socks. Now turn off your phone, microphone. Now listen to me. Next one, I want Adonia to read. Adonia, read from your book, the last paragraph. We get Adonia, are you there? What happened to Adonia? Yesterday also didn't come. What happened? Akshara, yes. Akshara. Yes. Are you Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Akshara, please help me reading the last one. We get silk. Read.
We get silk
From. We get silk from silkworms. Silk. Excuse me, Akshara, please read loud. We get silk from silkworms. Please underline silk and silkworms. You do at once. Then Mishti, please do it, Mishti. Now, and Akshara underline silk. S-I-L-K, silk. S-I-L-K, silk. Then silkworms, underline. silkworms. Silkworms. Yes. Now read the next sentence. Silk is used to make scarves. Plural of scarf is scarves. S-C-A-R-V-E-S. Underline scarves, saris. Everybody must underline in your textbook. Saris. That's all. And read after me, Akshara, and many other things. Now, you have to underline silk, silkworms, scarves, saris. Now, please turn your page. Next page. Please turn. Yes. I want Fatima Mariam. Read this from your textbook, Fatima. Some of us. Please read, Fatima. Some of us wear the same page number 16.
Some of us wear
Yes, a uniform.
uniform to school.
Yeah. Similarly. Okay, read after me. Similarly, there are
Similarly,
others
there are others who
wear who wear a uniform.
wear
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.
uniform.
Fatima, 1 minute. Not only students, you are students, okay, you wear uniform to school. But other people also will wear. That is similarly, there are others who wear a uniform. Now let us see who are the people. Now read the first one, doctors. Read, Fatima.
Doctor,
Nurse,
police,
postman,
nurse,
yeah, nurse,
postman,
postman, postwomen, women, lady, postwomen, and
postman,
and the police
and the police
wear uniforms.
wear
Now
uniform.
all must underline doctors, nurses, postmen, postwomen, and police. Please underline those names, doctors, nurses. These people also will, many people will wear uniform. We are just showing you, giving you only few, 4 of them. Okay now. Okay. Next one. I want Mitra to read this. People in different. Read that. People. Yes, Mitra, read. In different
Parts of our country wear different kinds of clothes.
Very good. Clothes. Very good. Now read the next sentence also, Mitra. Last one.
We must wear clean clothes.
1 minute. Full stop. We must wear clean clothes. Say, we must wear
Clean
clean
clothes.
clothes. We look smart.
We look smart when we wear clean clothes.
Very good. Now, next one. This is for Kanira. Read this in a nutshell. The last 2 sentences. Please read in a nutshell. Please. There, we
get cotton from the cotton plant, wool from sheep, and silk from silkworm. We should wear clean clothes. They make us
look smart.
smart.
Now, please take your next page. Next, 1 minute. Next, yeah. Have you seen this in your book, children? Let us answer. Have you seen this in your book? Let us answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 1 minute. Take out page number 17. Page number 17. 1 minute.
Mama,
1 minute. We are just putting page number 17. Take this, children. Page number 17. Now listen to me, all of you. I will ask Cyrus for help so others don't feel anything. Cyrus, did you take page number 17?
Yes,
Page
ma'am.
number- Please write today's date after let us answer.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
us answer because I don't know all other children, but I will call one by one. He is helping me to get the pages. Thank you, Cyrus. Now, children, please write after let us answer today's date. That is 7 bar or dash 8 dash 20. That's enough. Thank you. Now I'll call one by one. Now, 1 minute.
Do you
Excuse me, children. Cyrus, what Cyrus?
Ma'am, do I want to show the periods to you?
No. This one is okay. I'll just ask one by one to do. Ashwant P. Thank you, Cyrus. Ashwant, uh, Ashwant, did you get this thing? Ashwant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the first one. Please read the first one. Clothes,
Clothes product.
clothes. It's not cloth, ma. It's clothes. Clothes protect us from. Tell me the answer.
From
Which one? Circle the correct word. Which is the correct answer?
rain, ma'am.
Yes, that's already done there. No, it's not done. Is it? Yeah, rain. Now, all of you check the answer and do it. Now, thank you so much, Ashwant. Now, next chance is for John Matthew. In between, I'm calling like random. John Matthew, read the second question and tell me the answer. Correct, 1 minute. Don't read the wrong one. With the correct answer, circling, you just tell me the, read the sentence with the correct answer. You don't read cotton or woolen. Just keep the correct answer, then read the sentence. What clothes
keeps us warm?
Which one? Woolen clothes. John, I think it's John, no, Lena. John, you must read fast. Okay, you must read. Read once again. Woolen.
Woolen clothes keep us warm.
Very good. Now, next is Kushagra. Kushagra, please read the third one with the answer.
Making cloth.
Yeah.
Cloth from tree.
Yes. No. 1 minute, 1 minute. Making cloth. Read like that. Making cloth
Cloth
from thread
from thread
is
is
called-
called weaving or
No, only one answer. I told you just with the answer. Weaving. Don't tell spinning. That's choice for you. I just asked you to read with the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
No problem telling spinning or weaving, but you know the answer. Weaving. Thank you, Kushagra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Mithilesh. Mithilesh, can you read fourth one, Mithilesh? Fourth one. Mithilesh. I think Mithilesh is not attending. Okay, I will check. Now, Logesh. Logesh, you have to listen to my question. Logesh, please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen. It's not. Now, listen. I'm telling you, listen. Fourth question.
Yes.
You listen, Logesh. Fourth question. With the answer, you read. Dash, give us silk. Correct answer you tell. Read with the answer.
Silkworm.
Read the sentence fully with the answer.
Ma'am, silkworm. Silk.
See, excuse me. Somebody is telling silkworm sheep. 1 minute, Logesh. Will you please listen to me? You have to read silkworms give us silk. That's what I'm telling you. Listen to the teacher. I heard somebody silkworm sheep give us silk. No, I told you. Now listen. You have to read with the answer. Silkworms give us silk. You read. Read. Silkworms. Logesh. Read Logesh, silkworms.
Yes, I'm reading.
Read, I can't hear.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I'm reading. You.
மறுபடியும் read silkworms.
Read
Silkworms.
1 minute, Logesh. You read after me. Silkworms
Silkworm.
give us silk.
Give us the
Silk. No, not your silk. Give us silk. Okay, thank you. Now next one. Next one is for Cyrus. That full set is getting over. Cyrus, read the last one with the answer. Children, others listen when other children are reading. Yes.
we must wear clean clothes.
That's all. You must not tell we must wear dirty or clean clothes. We must wear clean
சொல்லுங்க.
clothes. I'm teaching. Who said சொல்லுங்க? Excuse me. Turn off your mic.
நீ சொல்லல நான் நீ சொல்லல.
Lokesh, turn off your mic. Don't talk in Tamil in between because all the students are hearing. Okay. Thank you, Lokesh. Now, see this one. Look at the picture. Don't be in a hurry. Draw a circle next to the summer clothes. I don't know. You have to do it. I will give you 2 minutes. Then I will do. Draw a circle. Look at the question. I don't want anybody to help them. Let the children do. Draw a triangle next to the winter clothes. Summer clothes will be worn in hot season. Winter clothes you use cold season. Okay. And you can just see the first one. Now I'll call one by one. Wait. I'll take the next name. All get ready. I will call. All just have a look at the clothes, dresses. Now I want Kayalina, don't be going on shouting, Kayalina. I'm calling you one by one. The first one, Kayalina. Tell me the first one. What is it? Can you tell me what is it? Kayalina. The first one.
Frog, ma'am.
Now, which season do you wear that? Which season? Hot season or cold season? An ordinary frock. You just see. Yes?
Summer season.
Summer. Very good. So, what should you do now? Here, you have to draw a circle. Everybody, all. 1 minute. Please do it. You must draw a circle next to that frock. Kylina's chance is over. Now, Samantha. Kylina, please turn off your phone. Only one question. Okay, thank you. Samantha, tell me the next one. Tell me, Samantha.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name the dress? Red one. What is it? Second one on the first row. It's a t-shirt. Okay. Samantha.
Yes,
Tell me,
ma'am.
when do you wear that? An ordinary t-shirt. Tell me. Which season? Summer or winter? You tell. What you know, you tell. If it's wrong, no problem. When others tell, the child won't learn.
Season.
Which season? Now tell me, it's a summer clothes or winter clothes? That's what I'm asking you. Which season? Summer season? No. See, 1 minute. See here, it's an ordinary t-shirt, okay? You wear it in summer. Okay, that's according to you. But you have to wear an ordinary t-shirt in summer. Okay, next one, Shashwata. Help me the third one. Can you tell me what is the third one? Sweater. Very good. When do you wear this sweater? Winter. So what symbol you have to draw? Circle or triangle?
Triangle.
Very good, Shashwata. Very good. Now, Chamma. Okay, turn off your phone. Chamma.
Yes, ma'am.
Samantha, turn off your phone. Shamma, please tell me Second row, the first one. When do you wear this? Now you have to observe the picture and tell me.
In winter.
Very good. Very good. So you have to draw triangle. Now, next one. Next one. Shaina Grace. Shaina. Shaina. Shaina.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
the next one. When do you wear this? The shorts. Okay. Which
Short.
season? Which
We
season?
wear it at summer season, ma'am.
Okay. You wear it summer because it's too short. If you wear all this winter, you will feel very cold. Thank you, Sana. As soon as you complete your answer, turn off your
இந்த ட்ரெஸ் எப்போ போடுவாங்க கேர்ள்ஸ்
Srimukilan, please turn off your phone. Now, next one. Next one is for Tanvi. Tanvi, tell me, when do you wear this skirt? Tanvi, it's an ordinary skirt. That's up to you. Okay, tell me. Summer season or winter?
Summer.
What type of clothes? Yeah, it's a summer clothes. Very good clothes. Okay, it's a skirt. The last one is for Arush Botra. Arush, excuse me, all turn off your 1 minute, Arush. Turn off your phone. Don't disturb the class, please. Children are just observing the pictures and telling me the answer. Thank you. Now, Arush, can you tell me the last one? Arush, last one. Yes. When do you wear this?
Winter.
Very good, Arush. Now, hope all would have completed. Just check. Just check all the answers, drawing. Now you can take next page. Now, fast, children. Don't be in a hurry to leave the class. Fill in the missing letters. Turn the page. 1 minute, 1 minute. Turn your page, children. Textbook. Yes. See, one lady is there. She's trying to dry the clothes after washing. Now, I want Akhil. Are you there, Akhil? Akhil? No. Past 1 week, I'm calling Akhil. I don't know what happened. I'll find out. Akhil, wait. Alan George. Alan, I know that you're very well present over there. Yes, Alan. I don't know the spelling of the first word. First of all, you tell me what word is it? And tell me the, oh my God, you know the spelling. Very good. Tell me the spelling of it.
SKIRT.
Is it right, Alan?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Alan. Now I am getting 2 points. Okay, even Alan is getting 2 points. Now, all of you, please fill in this. All of you fill in this. After this, I will check. Yeah, skirt. SK. 1 minute. Let me see. Let me see whether all are doing. Yes. I want Kailina. Kailina, turn on your camera. I want to see you. Kailina. See, when I call. Okay. No need. Not needed. No. Not now. 1 minute. Let me finish this. Now, tell me the second 1 minute after Alan. Akhilan, are you there, Akhilan? Akhilan? No. Akhilan is not there. Now, 1 minute. Anandit and Archant. Can you see the screen? Archant or Anandit? Now, 1 minute. Naren. Naren, 1 minute. Sorry. Naren, tell me
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the word second one down. Tell me the second one down. Naren,
Kurta.
kurti. We call it kurti. Tell me kurta or kurti, no problem. But tell me the spelling of kurti over here. K-U-R-I. Kurti. Kurti. You call it kurti. Okay, somebody will tell kurta also, no problem. Present, can you read the third word? Can you read the third word?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sari. Tell me the spelling, present. S A R. No. See, if you have 2 columns, you can write E. Sari. When you have only 1 square, you have to write I. Sari. Both spellings are correct, okay? S-A-R-I or S-A-R-E-E. Here only one square. Thank you. Sachin, can you tell me the next one on top? P dash, come on. Tell me P. Tell me Sachin.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay, just I will ask Sanjay, okay? Don't worry, Sachin. Sanjay, can you help me? What you wear? Boys and girls will wear. Tell me, what is it? Yes, Sanjay?
Pants, ma'am.
Very good. Sachin, no problem. Tell me the spelling. P-A-N.
P-A-N-T-S,
Very good. You'll say pants. Good, good. Sachin, just fill in, okay? Now, Sanjeevan, next one. Nowadays, boys and girls all wear the same. Only boys won't wear frock. Other than that, girls will copy everything from boys. Okay. Now tell me the next one, Sanjeevan.
Ma'am, shirt, ma'am.
Shirt. Very good. Spell the word. I gave you one spelling. S-H-I.
R-T.
Very
Shirt.
good. Shirt. Now, Sri Mukilan. Only Sri Mukilan must speak to me. Sri
Ma'am,
Mukilan.
in the fourth one, you wrote S
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the black color.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
happened?
Yes, ma'am. I am Shri Mugila.
Sri Mukilan, please tell me 1 minute. Good. Now, wait. Sri Mukilan, tell me. What is that? Sri Mukilan must speak to me, please. I will help you. Can you identify the word? Huh?
Socks.
Socks. Very good, Sri Mukilan. S. Now tell me the spelling. S-O-C. What is
K-S.
Very good. Now somebody asked me something. Who's that child? Ma'am, you wrote something. You said, who's that? Tell me, what was your doubt? Somebody asked me. I don't know. I just find out. Okay. Now 1 minute. Now all have completed this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me, ma'am. Who's that? Come
ma'am,
out.
ma'am, in the fourth,
Yes.
ma'am, in the fourth one, and the last, the S is not here.
It's not there.
In
There.
our book.
Okay. Never mind. 1 minute. Oh, no. P-A-N-T-S is there. Never mind. S-H-I-R-T-S shirts. Okay, you can put S-H-I-R-T only. Which one you are telling? Which word?
The fourth one, you wrote S in the black color, ma'am.
No, listen. Never mind all that. Okay, never mind.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's called me, ma'am.
Yes. Excuse me. Now, Mishti, what is your doubt? Tell me clearly. Don't say fourth one. Which word you tell me here? Mishti? No, nobody's talking. What happened?
Ma'am, and
Pants. P-A-N-T-S. You must not tell pant. You must tell always pants. Okay, P-A-N-T-S. Now listen, children. Now listen. All, no, don't say thank you. All can leave the classroom. Special class children will get the link. They can come.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
1 minute.
Thank you, ma'am. Goodbye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.